Hello there, YouTube. Today is Thursday, March 1st, and I'm off on Thursday, so I took a ride. A little chilly. It's ranging between 64 and 59, but I'm dressed for it. But anyway, took a ride down to Fredericksburg, and now I'm on the way on Highway 16 back up towards Llano. But I found this Willow City Loop that looks really pretty. It's an open range, so you see cow poop everywhere. So I thought I'd take the road. It is kind of pretty out here. You can see some of the trees starting to bloom, so it's spring is springing. But I've never been down this road. I may have heard about it before. It's really windy today, so I don't know where this leads to, though. I bet this is pretty when the wildflowers start coming out. I've got to stop turning my head. Anyway, I'll turn it on a little bit if I run into some more hills. I'm going to have to find this road again in the spring when it's the wildflowers are in bloom. It's probably going to be really pretty out here. I got my windshield up because it's so windy. I get the head buffeting. I have no idea where this leads to. What a neat road, though. Man, if it wasn't windy, this would be a great place to get the drone out. Well, this is really pretty. I have no idea where this goes. I'm probably going to end up lost. I'm glad I got pretty decent gas. Wow, check it out. That's really pretty. Some big hills, except the power lines are ugly. The cattle guards. Should probably pull over and see where this leads to. Man, this is pretty cool. Look at the big old cliffs up there. I had no clue this was even here. This road, I don't know where it goes either. Man, the wind might be low down here because of that, so I might get out and pop out the drone. We'll see. This is pretty cool. Ugh. I might pull over right here. Okay, this is beautiful. Look at the hawks or eagles or whatever they are up there, but they're squawking. I heard them really loud, high-pitched bird. I don't know what those are. It could be. They sound like crows. Look how pretty this is, though. This is Willow City Loop. Just out of Fredericksburg on 16, and I think this goes all the way to 290. I looked at the map. It looks like it'll pull us down. The wind's blowing, but I flew way up there just to get the ridge. At least that's blocking the wind a little bit because the wind's coming out of the north. But how beautiful is this road? I have to bring the wife here because this is so cool. Here's my dirty bike, though. It is dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. It's okay. Got the wind chill up because it's so windy. God, I got all these clothes on. It's hard to swing my leg over this thing without falling over. Anyway, here we go. Let's leave it on for a little bit. I love this road. I gotta come here when it's everything starts blooming. How cool is this road? It's all open range too, so there's cows everywhere. God, this is beautiful. I might find another beautiful place to drag the drone out, but I'll definitely do this again when it's everything starts blooming, because it's a beautiful, beautiful area. And it's all open. You know, let's see what's around this bend. Yep, look up here. There's a cow walking alongside the road up here. This is cool. This is open range. I hope he's not. That's a Charlet. Look at how cool is that. Hello, miss. That is a... Oh, look at them. Just walked out in the middle of the road, crossing over the road. Very cool. It's a beautiful area. Just love it out here. Even though it's brown in winter, it's just a beautiful area. Oh, there's a deer. Standing there grazing alongside the road. Ooh, how cool would it be to live on this road? Ooh, it's for sale. Oh, that would be awesome to live there. Anyway, I turned it back on. Something else comes up. Ooh, cattle crossing, cattle guards. Okay, this is really pretty, except for the wires there, but I had to stop because you could see forever going that way. Look how pretty this is. This is still that Willow City Loop or whatever, but how pretty is that? Oh, can't turn that back around that way. Put it in gear. Oh, I'll probably roll downhill anyway. That's really pretty. Bye. Look at the granite, man. I'm not anywhere near where I used to be, but look how they have to, I don't know how they drill in that to put a fence up. Wow, is this pretty or what? I gotta come back here in the spring. A little early right now. Ma'am, I think that's it.